Today, I'll show you how to download the Uber app and create an account step by step. Uber is a ride-hailing service that allows you to quickly and easily request a ride from your smartphone. With just a few taps, you can get a car to pick you up at your location and take you to your destination. It's a convenient and affordable alternative to taxis and public transportation. First, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. In the search bar, type Uber and look for the official app called Uber, Request a Ride. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for the app to download and install. When it's ready, open the Uber app, and we'll start creating an account. You can allow Uber to access this device's location if you want. I will choose while using the app. The app will automatically detect your phone number. If it's correct, confirm it. Now, choose how you want to sign up. You can use your phone number, Google account, Apple account, or email with a password. I'll select Google and choose my preferred Google account. If you're signing up with an email or phone number, you'll need to manually enter your basic details. For me, personal details were automatically retrieved from my Google account, so I just need to enter my phone number. Once you've entered your information, tap Next. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the box at the bottom, then tap Next again. And that's it. Your Uber account is ready, and you can now request rides anytime. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful tutorials.